The CAGIWIRU Mini Blower air duster uses an extremely high-speed motor to deliver a strong, focused stream of air that clears dust from tight spaces far more effectively than canned air. Its rechargeable battery, topped up through a modern Type-C charging port, runs long enough for several full cleaning sessions before you need to plug it in again. Multiple nozzles and brushes are included, making it easy to switch from cleaning delicate keyboard keys to vents, upholstery, and other tricky surfaces around a home, office, or car. Because it is a reusable electric blower rather than a disposable can, it cuts down on waste and becomes a more environmentally friendly and cost-efficient option over time. The compact body is short enough to tuck into a desk drawer or glove compartment, yet feels solid in the hand and is simple to maneuver around electronics and other gear. A storage bag and charging cable come in the box, so it is straightforward to keep the accessories together and take the duster with you when you travel or move between workspaces.